as well said by Malcolm X, and I quote, "Education is the passport to the future, for tomorrow belongs to those who prepare for it today." Unquote. In the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic situation, where it has become risky to visit the physical library, we at Vidya Vikas Mandal's Shri Damodar College of Commerce and Economics are glad to introduce to you to National Digital Library of India, an online library designed to bring you learning content anytime and anywhere. NDLI provides you with educational resources gathered from various authentic and well-recognized sources to enable you to access to premier academic resources from India and the world. Developed by IIT Kharagpur and sponsored by Ministry of Education, this free e-learning library is open for Indian learner. Let us have a quick glance at how to use it. Type www.ndl.gov.in on any browser or download the NDLI app on your electronic device. Numerous contents can be viewed on NDLI, but it is not accessible without getting registered. You only need your email address to get registered. For getting yourself registered, you just have to click on the login icon appearing on the top right corner and then click on register icon. Fill in your details in all the required fields and submit. Next, find a validation link sent to your mailbox. Verify your account and get access to pool of e-resources on NDLI. You need to be logged in to your account in order to access NDLI's content. In case if you don't receive the verification mail sent by NDLI, click on Account Recovery button, type in your email ID and submit. You will get a fresh validation link in your mailbox. Please click on the link and validate and you will be able to access NDLI. NDLI's interface is available in Hindi, English and many other Indian languages. All you have to do is to select whichever language you are comfortable with and explore the various learning resources. You can browse by type, by subject, by source, and by learning resources. Further, you can also get precise results by using one or more filter options like access restrictions, author, subject category, educational degree, difficulty level, educational level, file format, language, learning resource type, and source. You can also choose content type like text, video, presentation, image, animation, and audio. Now that you are well aware of the available options to get the precise search results, you may proceed on search the required educational content. If needed, for further assistance, click on help and follow the instructions.
The NDLI is a huge repository of learning materials which has drawn from repositories of institutions within India as well as from outside India. It has materials for learners of all ages and at all levels, starting from preschool right through beyond the university level. It has materials for all kinds of learners. It has materials for students, teachers, researchers, professionals, librarians, and even the general public. In fact, anybody who wants to learn, the NDLI is a wonderful resource for such people. It has more than 60 types of learning resources. For example, there are of course the normal books, journals, articles, etc. In addition to these, there are manuscripts, there are theses, there are monographs, there are manuals, both general manuals as well as technical manuals, annual reports, various kinds of technical reports. There are also web courses available. So it is truly a treasure trove of knowledge and resources for anybody who wishes to learn. I think it has something like 35 million digital resources, digital items available. And the best part of it is that all of it is free. Some of it is of course open access resources, which is free for everybody. The rest of it has been purchased under a national license by the Ministry of Education for the people of India. To put it in a nutshell, the NDLI is an immense, free, open, anytime, anywhere digital resource. The platform and the access to the resource are extremely user-friendly because the search results modify according to your requirements. The Ministry of Education and IIT Kharagpur have brought this great resource to all of us. And as the old English saying goes, never look a gift horse in the mouth. It's free, it's gifted to us, it is now up to us to use it. And to end, I would just say that we normally hear about resources getting exploited, getting depleted. Now this is one resource that we should exploit. We should over-exploit actually. Because it has benefits for you individually, it has benefits for society, and it has benefits for the nation and the world at large. So with that, I would recommend and would request that everyone makes fullest possible use of this wonderful resource.
According to me, the National Digital Library of India is a wonderful platform which connects students, teachers and research scholars. NDLI is a bridge to the digital divide which caters to the academic needs from rural to urban India. The e-resources which are made available on NDLI portal will surely help our students in their assignments, projects, case studies and classroom notes. Thanks to the Ministry of Education and IIT Kharagpur for such a lovely initiative to digitally unite India.